We will discuss aldol condensation. Now there are different type of aldol condensation. First we will learn self aldol, then cross aldol. Self aldol means that condensation between same that molecule, that one self aldol, and two different molecule, that one cross aldol. So first we have to learn which type of compound undergo aldol condensation. That means what are the condition for aldol condensation. Now aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen, aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen undergo aldol condensation. And aldol, what is the reagent for aldol condensation? Now dilute NaOH. So which type of aldehyde or ketone? Now having alpha hydrogen. Now what is alpha hydrogen? Now see, for aldehyde or ketone, this one acetaldehyde, this one acetone, functional group ki C double bond O, that one functional group. So that carbon adjacent to the functional group is alpha carbon, and hydrogen attached to that alpha carbon is alpha hydrogen. So that one is alpha hydrogen, that one also alpha hydrogen, both side alpha hydrogen. So aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen undergo aldol condensation. Two molecule of acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH. What will be the product? Now see, CH3 CH double bond CH, that is the final product of that self aldol. So here two acetaldehyde molecule undergo aldol, so that one self aldol. So next we will learn mechanism of that reaction, and then we will learn shortcut. See, first that base, it will abstract proton and we will get that nucleophile. That is the nucleophile of this reaction. Next what happened? Now this nucleophile attack to that second aldehyde. And last step, removal of that water. That is the mechanism of aldol condensation. First step, it will generate nucleophile, then nucleophilic attack to that second molecule, and last step that water will release. Next, shortcut. In shortcut, see, just we have to arrange that molecule properly. Two acetaldehyde molecule will arrange in that way. This acetaldehyde donate oxygen and this one donate alpha hydrogen. So that water molecule will remove, and see, we will directly get the product. That is shortcut of that aldol condensation. You have to take that oxygen of that one aldehyde molecule and that alpha hydrogen of another one, and they remove as water. So that is the final product. That is shortcut. How to get that aldol condensation product. Now up to this one self aldol. Next we will discuss cross aldol. Now in cross aldol condensation, what will be the number of product? It depends on that two different aldehyde or ketone, both of them contain alpha hydrogen, or only one contain alpha hydrogen or another one does not contain alpha hydrogen. If both the aldehyde or ketone both contain alpha hydrogen, then you will get total 4 product. But if one contain alpha hydrogen, another one does not contain alpha hydrogen, then you will get 2 product. So first see the acetone plus formaldehyde. Now in this case, see, this one alpha hydrogen contain, acetone contain, but that one key does not contain alpha hydrogen. Formaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen. So in this case, total number of product 2. See, acetone give its alpha hydrogen and formaldehyde donates its oxygen. That one cross product. And second one cell product. 2 acetone molecule undergo aldol. First one cross product, second one cell product. So in this case 2 product. Next example, when both contain alpha hydrogen, then total 4 product, 2 cross product, 2 cell product. Acetone plus acetaldehyde, dilute NaOH. So in this case both contain alpha hydrogen, so you will get total 4 product. First one, acetone donate oxygen and acetaldehyde donate alpha hydrogen. You try to remember in that way, you do not have to memorize anything. If you just arrange that 2 molecule properly, you can easily get that product. Try to remember that tricks, because for cross you cannot apply that mechanism, it will take time. So shortcut you have to apply. Second one, acetaldehyde donate oxygen and acetone donates alpha hydrogen. Acetone donates alpha hydrogen. So these 2 are cross product. Third one, the cell product. 2 molecule of acetone, cell product. Now the aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, these are very important reactions for competitive exam. Next, for acetaldehyde, that cell product. So we will get 4 different products. Actually in competitive exam, see, they will give that starting material on aldol condensation, what will be the product that we have to find. Now internal aldol is also possible, internal aldol within the molecule, last one, internal aldol. See, this type of compound. Internal aldol, that alpha hydrogen and that carbonyl oxygen. What I will remove? Within the molecule. Aldol takes place within the molecule. That oxygen and that alpha hydrogen. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel